Week 1, Wiki 1, Introduction. My name is Melissa Wagenhofer. I live in Fontana, California. My involvement with individuals on the spectrum is not personal when thinking of individuals in my immediate family. So my experience with individuals on the spectrum is professional. However, I take it personal because of my students. I think of my students and their families as my family. I have personally worked with students with disabilities as an instructional assistant for 10 plus years. I am now currently a first-year teacher working strictly with autism spectrum disorder students. I currently work for the Hesperia Unified School District as an autism spectrum disorder teacher. I have 14 amazing students ranging from 1st grade through 4th grade, each with ASD. There are 13 gentlemen and 1 young lady in my class. I have 4 other amazing staff members, Miss Jessica, Miss Sam, Miss Helen, and Mr. Jordan, who help me enlighten, teach, and transform our amazing students' lives daily. The thing that I am most proud of learning thus far is technology. Before any of my classes here with Brandman, I was what you could say computer illiterate. I have done so many new and amazing things through all the new technology that I have learned. Then I have turned around and implemented and utilized many of the things I have created using said technology directly in my classroom, and for this I am forever grateful. As for my bucket list, well, I would have to say I would like to go on a trip to Hawaii with just my husband sometime in the next 5 years. Just him and I on a sandy beach, watching the sunset and making memories.